Hi, welcome to Trading with TK, teaching you to turn ideas into money. We're at www.tradingwithtk.com, and today's Wednesday, June 18th. Well, yesterday they were fine, and today they hate them. It's just amazing how quickly they can turn around. And people say they don't turn on a dime. Sometimes they do. But, you know, they're playing out exactly the way we thought they were going to. The Dow made a new intermediate low today. The rest of the indexes have not done so yet, but I suspect they're going to follow the Dow down. The Dow is the leader this time, only on the downside. But we'll take a look at the major indexes because we've got some new resistance areas, especially in the Dow now that we've made another new low. But we'll map that out in our final segment when we look at the major indexes. But for tomorrow, I've got another idea. This one's on the short side. And the stock is CompuWare, CPWR. So in just a moment, I'm going to show you the chart, and I'll show you how we take this idea and turn it into some money. So don't go away. I'll be right back. Okay, we're looking at a daily bar chart of CPWR, CompuWare. This is a call on the short side. We're looking to sell this stock short tomorrow, somewhere around 970. That's $9.70 is exactly where it closed, and 990. Think maybe we might get a little kickback rally in the morning. It'd be a great opportunity. We have a target on the downside of $7.40 right down here where this red line is. Now let me show you what I see and why I think it's going back down to where the whole thing started from. First, I want to point out that we're forming this descending triangle, and we've actually broken out of it already on the downside. Once we took out this low here, which actually on a closing basis today was the first time we actually violated it technically. So that's why I think maybe we might get a little kickback back up into the 990 area. We may not. If it breaks down into here, I wouldn't chase after it, but on the kickback, if it gets back anywhere near the 970 area, that's when you want to put it out. So you either want to sell it up at 990, or if it breaks down in the morning on the kickback, and they usually do come back, that's where you want to short it. So that's what I see. I see this descending triangle. It's also that little roof look that I always show you. Looks like a roof, not a foundation. It's like the roof of the house. Okay, so let me recap that. That's CPWR, call on the short side, and I think when it's all over, we can make about $2.50 on this trade. All right, didn't sell or buy anything, so we can move right into the major indexes. As always, we're going to take a look at the Dow first, because the Dow, there it is, the Dow made a new low within this trend here. Now our old resistance area was right there. Now that we've made a lower low, I think we can move our resistance area down a notch to this resistance area right in here. So we'll remove that, although that still remains as a resistance area for some reason or other. If they happen to get up through this, I doubt very much if they'll ever get through that one, because they're clearly working their way down. This has been our theme. Our theme has been they're going to at least test these lows. They may hold, they may not. We won't know until they get down there. But the trade that we're talking about, that we talked about from up in here, is that we think that this low is going to get tested. Okay, so it's playing out exactly how it's supposed to. Technical Analysis 101. Very simple pattern. Let's take a look at the transports. You can see the transports have not really broken down like the rest of the market today, but I'm going to tell you something. This formation right here, this rounded top, very bearish. If this formation was turned upside down, it would be a very bullish formation. Anytime they get this rounded look to them, they usually break down pretty quickly down out of that. So although the transports haven't really made a new low like some of the other indexes, well, actually only the Dow so far, but we believe it's soon going to happen, probably tomorrow. SPY represents the Standard & Poor's 500. Got close to the old low, didn't break it, but I suspect by tomorrow or the next day we'll be down in here somewhere. And when that happens, then we can move our resistance area down to this area right in here. But I want to get it down into here before I do that. And the QQQs represent the NASDAQ Top 100. Clearly the strongest of all, but you know, it's going to fall also. There's just no two ways about it. Still, our resistance is right here. I do believe we're going to get down into here, though. I don't know if it's going to be within 2 or 3 days or if it's going to take a week. But I think that's definitely in the cards. It's just the way the pattern is shaping up. So any rallies back up into this area, anywhere up into here, would be a sale. All right, that's my view of the market. Things are coming the way we thought they would. We will get another rally along the way, but not until we get down into here somewhere. So the sooner we get down there, the sooner the rally will develop. Okay, that's my view of the market. Until tomorrow, the TK.